hii amplifier unaiona hapa, it was brought by my friend and it literally looks like it was rescued from a crash. This one looks like it just had a collision with another amplifier. I made this amplifier in 2019. That's when he got it from me, and he has been using it until a few days ago when it was brought in this state. So my work is to check if these components are still okay, and just to see what can be rescued out of here, and if we can rescue this amplifier. This is a 2.1 amplifier with, with an equalizer, and this is the bass unit, this is the stereo unit, and it also had an MP3 player. So I want to disassemble this. Of course, I'll disassemble it offline. Then I will test each component and determine which ones are working and if they can be rescued, and we can put another, and if we can put it into another enclosure. So keep watching and keep checking, and the only way you will know that I have posted an update of this video or of this construction is by subscribing. So please subscribe. I'm at only 320 subscribers. Just imagine, 320 for a channel that has been in existence for 7 years, I think. Please subscribe.